What's up, you guys? It's Steve here, and I'm excited because if you have been trading along with me in cryptos, we are making some money. Now, once again, this is not financial advice. I don't recommend that you do anything that I'm doing. I'm just sharing with you for entertainment purposes some of the trades I've been doing the past day and how we have been just hitting the lows and selling at the highs. So today we're going to be doing price predictions for what we think is going to be unfolding. I might be totally wrong, but we're going to be taking a look at Cardano, which is on the move. In our last video, I mentioned to you guys that this could go to $2 or $2.50. Well, today we just broke $2 this morning, and we're going to be looking at Bitcoin and it losing its dominance and how these other altcoins are pushing through and how still, in my personal opinion, Cardano is still undervalued. Now, just to clarify, Cardano peaked over $2 today, and I think it's going to go down. So I actually took some profits off the table, sold out, and I'm going to reinvest that when I think we hit the next low. Where's that going to be, and where are we going with Bitcoin? I'm going to be covering that in today's video. So let's go ahead and dive right in. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, follow me on Instagram at SteveRam3 if you have any specific questions, and follow me on the Patreon group if you'd like to get direct access to me on these trades. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. I have up the tradingview.com. This is where you can do it for free. And the first chart that I have up here is going to be Bitcoin, BTC. Now, this is Bitcoin to the US dollar. Now, yesterday, some of you follow me on Instagram saw that I started buying in at the 47,000 when it dipped down after Elon Musk said that Tesla was no longer going to be accepting Bitcoin. Now, why did I do that? How did I know that the support where it was going to bounce was at 47,000? Well, it's really easy. It's because I knew the support was there from the Fibonacci retracement. Now, what does that mean? It's just really simple. Basically, we're just going to be evaluating the last high down to the swing low, and it's going to let us know roughly where we should be expecting to see this bounce. So in order to do this in Trading Center, all we're going to do is go to indicator. I'm going to type in Fib, and you can see right there, Fib retracement. It's going to pull up for us the data as to where we can see, and you can see right here the 1618 is right around 47,000. So yesterday evening, I took a look and I saw we were hitting 47,000, and I knew that if it was actually going to bounce off the support, that was the time to buy in. Now, of course, nobody knows for sure, so I didn't throw in all the money that I was planning on investing just in case it kept going down. My rule is I throw in half. So I threw in half of what I was prepared to invest, and it bounced almost perfectly. Now, this is through Binance, so it doesn't show. I think it actually went down to like 46.9. It shows it a little higher, but I actually bought in right there, and then today we bounced back up, and as of the time of this recording, it's up at 49. Now, this could still bounce some more. We'll see where it's going, but I do anticipate it is going to be going higher. But now, we could potentially still see this go down further, but we have the support at 47,000 for Bitcoin. Now let's go ahead and take a look at Cardano and what has unfolded with Cardano. Now, you guys know in my last video, I let you guys know that I actually bought in right here. And I let you guys know that I anticipated that we were going to have maybe a couple more swings and we were going to have a breakout. Once again, this is from the Fibonacci retracement. I'm just taking a look at what I think is going to be unfolding here, what the numbers say. Now, when I first bought into Cardano, I bought back here right in the beginning of May around 131 because I saw this pattern of the swing high, swing low. I was seeing it, taking a look at the retracement, and then sure enough, around the fourth or fifth time, we did a breakout. Now, when we broke out, I started seeing the same pattern, and I bought in once again right here at $1.63. And I made the video and let you guys know I think this is going to be happening again. And we did one more swing high, a swing low yesterday from that decline, and then it shot up this morning at $2, and I took some profit off the table. I'm almost doubled all of my money in that. I'm going to be reinvesting. And of course, you can see right here, the next red candlestick is forming. So that means we're swinging back down. It's correcting, but we're going to have another impulse. I believe that this is well undervalued, and here's why. Let's take a look at the cryptocurrency price charts. You can see the coin market cap. CoinMarketCap.com shows you all of the cryptos and where the market caps currently stand. Cardano is shooting up. It has gone from, I think it was in 7th, past XRP, Dogecoin, and Tether, and it is now in spot number 4. And I believe that this is still undervalued. Like I said in my last video, I think this could go to $2.50. I think this could even push $3 before year's end. We will see. We're going to continue to take a look at this and see if we continue to break past resistances and hit new highs and bounce off those supports. But let's go ahead and take a look here at the Fibonacci retracement for Cardano. So let's just go to the indicator here. Once again, just type in fib and the fib retracement, and let's see what we come up with here. So, as you guys know, I bought in at 163. And why did I do that? Because I saw that right here, we were starting into that support, and sure enough, look at that, just bounced right off, came up, came back down, and now we're bouncing up again, and we're going up to the 1618. I think that we will break that, and so essentially I think that we could be looking at in the next swing high when we test that that resistance, that we could be looking at roughly $1.97 to maybe $2.05, $2.04 for the next breakout. So that is my prediction for Cardano, where I think we could be going. I think that this is one of the best bets in my personal opinion. Once again, this is not financial advice, but just sharing with you guys what it is that I'm doing. Now, like I said, I actually sold. Where did I sell? I sold this morning at 195. And look at that. It's like mapping it out perfectly. So I think that the same pattern is going to continue on. Now, once again, just a fair warning to everybody that the crypto winter is coming. So we have a limited amount of time where we're going to see cryptocurrencies and altcoins shoot up. And we're going to be hitting that 4-year cycle for Bitcoin where pretty much it's going to plummet. And let's take a look here so you can understand the cycle. Here is the BTC dominance. So in other words, this is Bitcoin's dominance compared to all the other cryptocurrencies that are currently on the market. Now you can see before, it just pretty much dominated everything until other coins started breaking out. Now what we saw was back in 2017, Bitcoin started to lose a lot of its dominance right before we hit that crypto winter. Now once that happened, for the course of the next 4 years, we saw everything very low, and people once again started buying into Bitcoin and considered the altcoins. Well, some people call them a variety of different things. I'll just say trash for right now because I want to keep this monetized. And then it came back up, up, up. And then what we're experiencing is the same pattern we saw before. And look, there is a massive sell-off in Bitcoin, and it is once again losing its dominance as people are turning to the other altcoins as they are gaining in popularity and people are starting to see the utility in them. Now, what do I think about Bitcoin? I still think personally that it is a safe bet. I think of cryptocurrency, I think of Bitcoin as the gold of cryptocurrency. I don't think it's going anywhere. I think it's going to increase in value over time. Now, its ability to be adopted as a potential currency, I don't see it. And here's why. Anybody that's in crypto will let you know. Some people might disagree, but in my personal opinion, the blockchain, it's too slow. It takes too much time, about 10 to 15 minutes per transaction. Imagine you went to the store to buy groceries, you swiped your credit card, and you had to wait 10 to 15 minutes before the process actually went through and you could buy those groceries. That is how long the blockchain takes with Bitcoin. Now with Cardano and some of these other cryptocurrencies, much faster. Now another one that I really like that I think is a good opportunity is Ethereum. However, with Ethereum, it's getting more and more expensive. So Ethereum Classic is another alternative, and also Cardano is one that I really like, and I feel like I see a lot of potential in Cardano. And I know I'm starting to sound like a Cardano fanboy, but I really am liking what I'm seeing with it. So right now, solid ones that I believe are good investments, at least for the time being, is Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano. So you guys, that is my video on where things stand. I'm really excited this morning. Not sure if you can tell because, man, this is just shooting up. It's doing really well. I think that we're going to see a swing down right here, swing low, and then I think we're going to be breaking past those resistances and going up to new heights. And I'll be sure to keep you guys up to date here on the channel. We'll see. We might make a bunch of money. We might lose a bunch of money, but whatever happens, I'll be sure to keep you guys up to date here on the channel. And once again, if you like and appreciate these videos, don't forget, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, follow me on Instagram at SteveRam3, get free stocks and crypto in the links in the description below, and consider joining the Patreon group to see what trades I'm doing. But with that, you guys, hope you enjoyed this video, hope you enjoyed this live look at what's happening with cryptos. I'll catch you in the next video. This is Steve. God bless.